So we were at Summit Point last weekend. We were really having a struggle on Saturday. Couldn't nail turn 10, kept messing up the downshifts, and the lap time was pretty poor overall. I think the best one was a 1:31.5. Later that evening we saw some grease on the transmission, so I did a late night axle rebuild that you'll see. But thankfully there was a bit of redemption on Sunday where we got our new personal best, I think, for the car. So new engine's working good so far, and we'll be back out in Hyperfest.
All back in one piece.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh.
Not a fire! Please don't let the invisible fire burn my friend!
So the smoke was from the alternator falling off the engine and chewing up its own belt.
This is going downhill fast. I think
is.
it'd be a great time to go to commercial break myself.